So, you thought the rest of this trip wasn't happening? Well, guess again. Prepare yourselves to watch me riding out of large orifices, as well as sinking my bike into all manner of soft surfaces, including interacting with people, somewhat. As well as illegally flying drones in countries that drones aren't allowed in. Again. And obviously, to top it all off, more Jeff. Pokemon. So this means that you should subscribe to see how this calamity-filled adventure pans out. I already know what happens, and I'd watch it, so you should too.
That looks amazing.
Controversial. Tell me I'm wrong in the comments below.
Controversial. Tell me I'm wrong in the comments below.
On how to not mess up your